Thank you for your purchase and for choosing the Eufy Robot Vacuum Omni S1 Pro. Please ensure you read and retain the Quick Start Guide for easy reference. It's designed to help you familiarize yourself with the product and start using it efficiently. Ensure you remove the robot from its packaging and set it on the desk. Locate the front of the package and open it to reveal the robot and 2 sets of side brushes inside. Remove the white protective sponge. Remove the accessory box and take out the included items. An additional high-performance filter, an additional dust bag, a power cord, a bottle of hard floor cleaner, and a cleaning tool. Remove the top protective foam and carefully hold the bottom of the UniClean station to lift it out. Then extract the rolling mop located within the base station and remove the protective bag from the base station. Here are all of the accessories that come with your S1 Pro. Flip the robot over and install the left side red brush into the red mounting slot, pressing down on the brush until you hear a click. Install the right side's gray side brush in the same way. Open the robot's magnetic cover and turn the power switch to the I position on the left side. Then wait for 15 seconds. You will hear a "Power On" voice notification, confirming that the robot has been successfully turned on. Scan the QR code on the left side of the robot to download the Eufy Clean app. This app offers features like scheduled cleaning, map editing, and access to cleaning records. Connect the app to the robot to unlock intelligent functions. For additional tutorials on using the product, scan the QR code on the right. Open the cord winding groove cover, then connect the power cord to the UniClean station and a socket. The base station's LCD screen will illuminate. Wrap any excess cord around the groove and then replace the cover. Position the UniClean station against a wall on a hard, flat surface. Ensure there are no objects within 1.5 meters in front and 0.5 meter on either side. Manually return the robot to the base station. Once aligned correctly, the robot will voice "charging," and the base station's LCD screen will show a charging animation. Remove the clean water tank, then peel off the cleaner seal sticker. Insert the cleaner until it clicks into place. Open the cap of the clean water tank and fill it with fresh water up to the max level line. Do not overfill. Securely replace the cap and return the tank to the base station. Press the mode switch button on the right side of the base station's LCD screen to change the cleaning mode. Choose between vacuum mode and mop mode. Press the Start/Pause button on the base station to begin or pause the robot. On its first use in a new environment, it will initiate whole house mapping. After cleaning, the robot will automatically return to the base station. You can also send the robot back manually by pressing the Recharge button on the base station. Press and hold both the Recharge and Mode Switch buttons on the LCD screen simultaneously to activate or deactivate the child safety lock. Press and hold the Mode Switch button to run the mop, wash, and dry function. Press the Start/Pause button on the robot to begin or pause its operation. Press the Recharge button on the robot to send it back to the base station.